All right, so before we continue, let's review that one rectangle tile is x and one single square tile is 1. So 3x plus 2 is what this would mean as an expression. Can we add these terms? 2x plus 5 to get 7x? No. Sorry, I'm reading my notes here. So 2x tiles plus 5 1 tiles are different shapes. They cannot be combined to get 7 rectangle tiles, because that would be like saying 2x plus 5 single square tiles. That would be like saying that this can be combined into 7 of these. Well, 7x would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's not the same thing. How about 2x plus 5x? Does that give us 7x? Yes. 1, 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 7x. So if you turn in your book to journal page 185, we will continue with this thought and learn about sometimes a mistake that we tend to make when we think about that. So it says drawing diagrams and thinking about real world situations can help you so thinking about real world situations, like how many will fit in a crate or a box or whatever, can help you find equivalent expressions and understand why expressions are not equivalent. So if you kind of make connections to the real world, you usually can figure this out. Number 1. So it looks like there's an example for this side, an example over here. So example 1 says, consider the expression 3a minus 3. So if you have 3 boxes, each containing an unknown value of apples, or a, and William takes 3 of the apples, and you draw the diagram, you'd have 3 repeated boxes of apples. If William takes 3 of them, it could be expressed this way. 3a, so 3 times a, take away 3 is equivalent to 2a, so 2 of these, plus a minus 3. So 2a plus 1 of those a's subtracts 3, with 3 subtracted from that. It's also equivalent to a plus a minus 3. Here's what's not equivalent. 3a minus 3 is not equivalent to a. Example 2. Actually, if you go back to example 1, it says to discuss how all the expressions mean 3a's minus 3. So these all meant 3a minus 3. So it means 3 boxes of apples minus 3 apples. Okay? The fact that 3a minus 3 is not equivalent is important, because this is an error that students often make, because they think of 3a as 3 plus a rather than 3 of the a's, or 3 times a. So you have to be careful thinking about a situation or making or visualizing a diagram like this so that you don't run into that problem. All right, example 2 now. Let's see how this goes. Here's an expression for 4 times an amount minus that value. So we have, Hannah has, and again, this is how you can make connections to the real world, and it might help you. So let's say that Hannah has 4 stamp albums. So she has like 4 albums of stamps with B stamps each. So 4 albums with B in them. She gives 1 album away. So the B's represent the singular, and the 4 is how many of them. So here we have B and B and B and B less 1. So 4B minus B is the equivalent to B plus B plus B plus B, oops, minus a B. Or it's also equivalent to 4B minus 1B. It's also equivalent to just 3 B's, right? 3 times B. What's not equivalent is 4B minus B, equivalent to 4. So 4B minus B is not the same as 4. So you wouldn't ever write over here a 4 because you have all these B's left. So for each expression, describe a situation, make a diagram, and this is important. I will just write down what my answer says, and you can check it. 4 plus 3D. So here could be a situation. Don has 4 loose baseballs. Don has 4 loose baseballs. I'll just say balls to keep my answer short. And 3 boxes, each containing D baseballs. 3 boxes that each contain D, like an unknown value of balls. So this would be like saying Don has 4 of these single items plus 3 boxes of an unknown amount of them. So a diagram would be 4 plus D, D, and D, like really big boxes. Here we have 2E, so 2 of an amount plus 1 more of those. So in this case, we would have Jack. If we think about Jack has 2 packs. Whoops. Jack has 2 packs with E trading cards in each. With E, right, the unknown value, E trading cards in each. Jack has 2 packs with E, this is the letter E, sorry, trading cards in each. Whoops. All right, and Jill, Jack and Jill gave him another pack. So he got another pack, gave him. Another could also mean 1, but we're trying to be a little more original, right? Another pack of E trading cards, of E trading cards. Sorry, I'm trying to hurry. A diagram could be he has 2 packs of E, and then Jill gives him another one, so he has 3. Circle the equivalent expressions. 7D, so 7 times D. 4 plus 2D plus D is the same as, oh, sorry, I did that. So 7D we're not going to circle, but these 2 we are. These 2 are equivalent, not this one. I should have explained that better. Over here, circle the equivalent expressions. This